Hey, what's up guys? Welcome to another episode of Pan the Organizer. So on today's show, we're going to talk about a rinseless wash. Now, what is a rinseless wash? Well, as the name states, essentially it's a technique that allows you to wash your car without rinsing it at the end. Now, you might live in a condo or an apartment complex without access to a water hose or some free-flowing water, and you want to wash your car. Or like here in Canada, you might have some crazy winters. You want to put your car in the garage, but again, don't necessarily want to use free-flowing water or don't have access to a garden hose with free-flowing water. Or you might even live in a city or a country with some heavy water restrictions. So the rinseless wash is a wonderful option for you guys to use, but there are some proper tips and techniques in order to do the job properly so you don't scratch your car. So in this video, I'm going to show you the proper tips, tricks, and techniques so you can do a proper job on your vehicle. We're going to need some basic tools, products, and equipment. So as you can see, it's quite simple. So without further ado, stay tuned. Let's go ahead and start the show. So hey guys, I'm Pan. Welcome back to all my regular viewers. And for all of you for whom it's the first time that you watch one of my videos, well, if you want to learn more about the wonderful world of car detailing, so some tips, some tricks, techniques, which products and equipments to use, and DIY videos, well, you found the right YouTube channel. So take a second and click the subscribe button found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So today we're going to talk about a rinseless wash. So what is a rinseless wash? Well, essentially you have three techniques to wash your car. There's the classic technique with water and the 2-bucket method. So that's if you have access to free-flowing water. But there are some circumstances where you do not have access to free-flowing water, such as if you live in a condo or an apartment complex. You might live in a city or a country with some heavy restrictions on water usage. Or even in the middle of winter, like here in Canada, well, you might have your car in your garage and don't necessarily want or to use a lot of water in your garage. So the rinseless wash technique is great for that. The other technique is the waterless wash. Now, those waterless wash techniques usually use a spray bottle like this with a product inside that you spray on your vehicle, and you use multiple microfiber towels in order to wipe the vehicle clean. And for this, I also have a video. If you click the card up here, you'll see how to properly wash your car using the waterless wash technique. But the other method that doesn't use a lot of water is the rinseless wash, and that's a method I prefer compared to waterless washes. So, one of the key components of a great rinseless wash is obviously the product that washes your car. So my favorite one is from Optimum Polymer Technologies. And by the way, guys, to make it simple for you, I made sure to include all the links of the products and equipments that we're going to use today. I put these links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. So again, this is a rinseless wash from Optimum Polymer Technologies. It's called Optimum No Rinse Wash and Shine. So the polymers that are in here encapsulate the dirt and lift them off the surface. They put them on an ionic cloud. Now I know that sounds kind of complicated, but it's actually super simple. Essentially, see this as a very high-end lubricant. So it's going to lubricate the surface, lift the dirt off of the surface, and allow you to wipe it off. And you don't even have to rinse the car, hence the rinseless wash. So this is the wash media. What we're going to do today is use it in combination with the big red sponge. Now, Optimum have developed this sponge. As you can tell, it has a lot of little squares inside. This is a 3D kind of shape. So the Optimum big red sponge was made and designed to be used with the rinseless wash. So this is going to be the media that we're going to use to apply the ONR or Optimum No Rinse on the paint. And to wipe it off, we're lucky enough to have the new versions of the Rag Company's Eagle Edgeless microfiber towels. Now this is their newest generation of the Eagle towels. These are super plush. They call them the Eagle Edgeless 500 because they're 500 GSM or grams per square meter, which means they're thick and plush and they're laser cut. So they have no edges. So this is a super high quality microfiber towel. So we're going to use this to wipe off the wash media when we're done washing the vehicle. And as an added bonus step, Another great product from the rag company that they started importing and that are selling like hotcakes is this IK sprayer. Now, this is a high-end sprayer that's made in Europe, more specifically, I think, in Spain. Now, this is a pump sprayer, so you put your solution in here, you pump it up to pressurize the system, and we're gonna go ahead with the trigger right here and use a pre-wash on the vehicle, again, with the Optimum No Rinse solution. So essentially, we're gonna fill this up with the Optimum No Rinse solution. We're gonna pre-treat the vehicle to give it as much dwell time as possible to help it lift all the dirt on the surface. And then we're gonna go ahead and apply O&R on the paint, which is the best way to have the waterless wash system clean your vehicle. And at the end, we're gonna wipe off with the rag company's Eagle Edgeless microfiber towel. So as you see, this is super simple. Now, for the O&R, this is very, very easy to use, and it's super economical because you add basically 1 ounce of product to 2 gallons of water. So for this method, you only need 1 bucket. So this is a typical 5-gallon bucket. And inside, in the bottom, we have a grit guard insert. So you put this in the bottom of your bucket, and essentially it'll make sure that all the contaminants and the dirt stay in the bottom part of the vehicle, bucket, sorry. And this way you will not contaminate the rest of your wash solution. So the O&R only uses 1 bucket. So you're gonna fill this with a couple of gallons of water, add your O&R in it, and you're pretty much good to go. So together, we're gonna show you how to clean this dirty Mazda CX-5 that has been through these harsh Canadian winters. There's so much snow outside, it's disgusting. So we're gonna show you how easy it is to do a rinseless wash. And that's it. You're gonna see the end results, and hopefully you'll be able to replicate these steps at home. So guys, as you saw, a rinseless wash is actually quite simple to do. So what we did today, step number 1, we pre-treated the vehicle, thanks to the IK Multi 1.5 pump sprayer and the ONR solution. So that's our pre-wash stage. We let the product dwell a couple of minutes on the surface to help it lift all the dirt and the contaminants off the surface. Then we went ahead and used the ONR solution in our 5-gallon wash bucket. So that was our wash media. And to apply the ONR on the paint, we used the Optimum Polymer Technologies Big Red Sponge. So you basically dip it inside your wash bucket, you apply it on the surface. No need for rinsing, hence the rinseless wash. And in the end, we simply wiped away all the dirt with a high quality microfiber towel from the Rag Company. Now this is the Eagle Edgeless 500, so the new version of their famed Eagle Edgeless towels. So again, guys, to keep it simple for you, I made sure to include the links to all the products and equipments used in the video today. I dropped those links in the description under the video for you guys to check them out. If you enjoyed the video, smash the thumbs up button. If you love learning more tips and tricks about car detailing, well, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel by clicking the subscribe button that's found under this video. That way you'll subscribe to my channel and never miss my future videos. So guys, once again, thanks for being there. You guys are amazing. I'm blessed with an amazing audience. Pan, the organizer, never stops. I always have more ideas and future upcoming videos, so stay tuned for those. And in the meantime, don't forget, keep it tight, keep it clean, and I'll see you guys on the next one.